So this is how to fix can't download or can't install Boomplay app on your device. So first of all, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for your Google Play Store. When you find it, just tap on it to open it. So wait as it's opening. After that, tap on your profile at the top over here. Now tap on settings. Tap on network preference. Tap on app download preference. Tap on over any network and make sure it's at that section. Tap on OK and go back to your phone menu again and try to search for phone settings. Tap on the settings button. Now tap on apps and notification. Make sure you wait as it's loading. Tap on see your apps after loading. Wait, as you can see, it's loading over here. Tap on the search apps over here and try to search for Google Play Store. So when you search for Google Play, you're going to see Google Play services and Google Play Store. Try to tap on each and update it. So tap on, yes, say you tap on the Google Play Store, you tap on the force stop to, then tap on OK, then you tap on storage and cache and tap on the clear cache. After that, go back and do same for your Google Play services. So as you can see, this is Google Play services, so you have to do same for this Google Play services. So after for stopping it and also tapping on storage and cache and clearing the cache, what you have to do lastly is to check whether you have enough storage. So if you have enough storage, you will be able to get the Boomplay app on your device. So what you have to do after doing all this is to tap on the power button for some while, then you tap on restart, then you tap on OK to restart or reboot your phone. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope this video has been helpful to you.